Hey everyone, it's Marilyn. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope to inspire you for your next DIY project. I wanted to try something new with scrap wood. I always try out projects with pallet wood first, so if I make any mistakes, no worries because it's free. All you need is one 17-inch board at 4.5 inches wide of your choice and two 12-inch rods. I used the circle template to create a simple design at the top and use the template for the bottom rods. You will need a 1/2 inch Fortner bit to make the holes for the rods. I used my drill instead of my drill press, and I went a little too fast on the pressure, creating a burn. Because the rods won't slide back and forth for the adjustable piece, I use 60 grit sandpaper in the bottom holes so the two rods can get through with a little friction. When putting it all together, the stationary pieces, I did use a mallet to get it through the bottom holes because it was a very snug fit. And I put wax on the rods to provide a more smooth slide, but still with some friction to keep it in place. The sliding bookends is a pretty cool project and quick to make. You could make this longer by using a 24-inch rod. When I make this again, I will use a better quality wood such as mahogany or walnut or cherry. I hope this scrapwood project, the sliding bookends, inspires you to create your own DIY project. Thanks for watching.